Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Kamruzzaman from Jamalpur. Currently, I am living at Uttara for my education purpose. I am a running student of Daffodil International University, Department of English. My major is English Linguistics and Literature, and my ID is 024 222 1187. I have passed SSC in Islampur Jamalpur from Government Nekjahan Pilot Model High School with GPA 4.78, and I have passed HSC in Milestone College with GPA 5. And I would like to share my hobbies and interests. I love playing sports, especially cricket and badminton. Playing these games makes me joy, active and healthy, and also teach me teamwork and discipline. And also my free time, I like to ride my bike and drive my cars, and also it give me relaxation and joy. Along with my hobbies, I have worked on building my skill. I have some skills like SEO, and I know programming languages such as Java and Python, and also I have gained some experience in IT work. My university has played an important role for my personal growth, and it has not only given me academic knowledge but also taught me well discipline, morality, and so on. And I also thankful for the program of One Student One Laptop. It supports students learning easier and makes their study more easier. And my goal is to keep developing my skills, stay positive, and contribute wherever I go. Thank you for listening me.